Hey everyone, Ramdy here, and today I got a good little video for you. Because we're going to go over one of the ways that Descript has completely changed video and podcast creation by letting you edit your video or audio just like a text doc. Which may seem a little weird at first, but trust me, it makes editing so much easier, especially if you're new to editing or you're just not very tech savvy. And even for you pros out there, editing with text will save you so much time. So let's get into it. Okay, so I got my project pulled up, but for right now, we're gonna focus here on the script editor. This is where all the magic happens, my friends. Because with this transcript that Descript automatically generated for me, I can easily start editing. Like for example, here I flubbed my line and had to do another take, which I tend to do about 1,000,000 times when recording. So to delete it, all I have to do is select the text and delete, just like you would in a doc. And now if I play back my video, you can see that the bad take is completely gone. Boom. It really is that easy. And this is essentially the foundation of how you'll edit in Descript. No more having to worry about cutting and scrubbing through a timeline, which you can still do if you want, but with the script editor, you can just make quick edits to your script and keep it pushing. Now, deleting words isn't the only thing you can do in the script editor. There are tons of other features that make editing your script easier, like the ignore feature. Let's say you're iffy on a joke or line and you want to take it out for now, but you might want to add it back in later. Well, just highlight it, but instead of deleting it, click on the ignore button here. And if we play back, you can see that the line isn't in the video, but we can still see it in the script and add it back in if we choose. You can also copy and paste words just like a doc. For example, let's say I want this line here to actually be all the way down here. Well, again, I'll just highlight it. Geez, we're doing a lot of highlighting today. I'll press Command or Control C to copy and delete it here, go where I need it, and hit Command or Control V to paste. And ta-diddly-da. I just successfully moved a clip in my video without even having to touch a timeline. Just use the power of words, baby. Okay, now let's take a step away from the script editor and go see Underlord. Because it's got all sorts of AI magic in here that can not only save you so much time, but completely change the way you make your videos. So let's just go through a quick rundown of the features you can use in here. Buckle up. I can easily shorten word gaps in my script, which gets rid of any dead air or awkward silences. I can also instantly remove all the filler words, like ums and uhs from my script. I can also remove all my retakes at once, add chapters to my script, and even automatically edit my script for better clarity. Whew, man, that was a lot of features we covered. I feel like I need to take a nap. But as you can see, being able to edit your video or audio just like a doc really takes out the tediousness and the learning curve of editing. And it even leaves you with a perfect transcription that you can use for captions or subtitles. So come with me. Come to the dark side of Descript and get ready to become a world-class editor and rule the world. Or you can just make silly little videos. I don't really care. All right, I'll see you in the next one.